this video, I'm here to talk about handheld focus stacking and how you can achieve great macro shots with a deeper depth of field. Focus stacking is a technique designed to achieve a deeper depth of field by stacking several images together that are taken at different focus distances. For beginners, I would recommend starting with stationary subjects such as plants and flowers, or even something indoors, so you can get a feel for what it's like, because shooting subjects such as bugs can be really tricky since their movements can be unpredictable at times. The most common way to achieve stacks is to set your camera to burst mode so you can take continuous photos. This method is best executed when you start shooting from the front of the bug to the back. I also recommend shooting in manual mode because in manual you have total control of the ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. That is very important when it comes to focus stacking because every shot should be shot at the same focal length. Once you get to the point where you feel comfortable enough to try shooting live subjects, I recommend going out in the morning when it's cooler because bugs are less active during this time, which makes stacking a whole lot easier. Stability can be difficult at times and very frustrating even, but it can be done. It will just take a lot of practice. If you're shooting something that is on the ground, I recommend putting your left hand on the bottom of your camera. When you start the stack, start moving forward very slowly. This is probably the easiest way to get good stacks since you have the most stability while on the ground. But not every situation will be as easy as taking shots while laying on the ground. If you're standing up or crouched down and your subject is on a plant or flower, I recommend holding a piece of the plant in one hand and try putting the lens on the arm holding the plant so that you will have more stability and you can slide your camera back and forth. Be aware that the majority of the time holding the plant or whatever your subject is on will stall it and it will probably move, and when that happens you will have to restart the whole stacking process because if the subject moves the photos won't align properly in Photoshop, which will result in failed attempts like these. Handheld focus stacking isn't the easiest method and it can be very frustrating at times. You will probably find yourself getting more failed attempts than good attempts, but practice makes perfect and handheld stacking requires a lot of practice to get good at it. So don't get discouraged about your failed attempts, just keep practicing at it and you will see improvements in your photography. like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.